Friends, today we will learn about creating and generating CATIA drawings, 2D drawings in the CATIA. For that I have created one simple component. Let's now start for the drawing. Let's create a new, then drawing, select a drawing. You can select ISO or different standard that you have. Then you can select A4, A3, A5 size. Okay. Then this is the tool for generating front view, unfolded view, isometric view, and advanced front view. We select front view. Let's generate the view. Then we generate a side view. We can also make a cross-sectional view. Okay, and then let me delete this. Now I want to apply a dimension. So this is the dimension tool. We can apply a dimension here. You can see we can select different dimension, chamfer, radius, diameters. We can select this. We can apply this dimension. We can align this with line up tool. Line up with this dimension. It will come in position aligned with the selected one. Now I want to show a line for these two holes, so I can select this axis line or center line. So I select these two lines, so that will create a one line here. I can also create a axis line like this and this. It will create a center line here. So this is the tool for creating axis line. You can also create center line. So suppose if I create a circle here, let's say for example this is the circle and I want to give a center line, then I can use center line with this. You can create a center line with reference also, for threads also. Then let me give diameter, so I will select this. I will give this diameter. I can modify also here like this. Here you can mention before or after some text. Let's say this is 2x for two holes, and I have already given this axis line here, so that means this is for these two holes. I can also give some symbol here if I want to insert here some symbols for parallelism or some other things. Now let me edit something here. So let me make radius here. So I make a radius edge fillet here, 5 mm. Okay, and on one side I create a chamfer. Okay, now if I go in a drawing, it is already linked, so I have to just click this update. So this is the update current sheet. So you can also use Ctrl U. So I create update. You can see it has taken the modification and updated the view for radius. Now I can give radius here. I can modify this like this also. I can also give chamfer dimension here. So this is the chamfer dimension. So you can see I can give length by length also, or length and angle also, angle and length also, or length alone. So these are the various options available. Now I want to modify these arrows. So what I will do is I will select this and then I will go into properties. Here you can see I can modify the values, precision level also I can modify, and if I know that this is not the exact dimension and what I want to be, and without updating any dimension, just for some temporary work, if you want to give some dimension, you can mention fake dimension also. Fake means it is not created as actually in the drawing or part. Let's say it is 10 mm now, actual one, and if you want 12 mm or 15 mm, let's say, then I can write it 15 mm here. It will take a 15 mm here, but this is not a good way to utilize, but sometimes it is needed when you can't update and there is urgency. Then you can give tolerance also here, different tolerances, like I want to give upper tolerance of 0.1 mm and lower tolerance. So here you can see the tolerance has been applied. Now dimension line, I want to update the arrow with the close fed one. So I will utilize this one. So you can see here this arrow has been updated. Then extension 9, if you want to change dimension text, you can add some text here like trial, let's say 2x. So here it will take some values here. Font, if you want to modify size of the font, type of the font, you can modify it from here. Here if you want to apply a frame, you can apply a frame here, or you can keep none. Anchor point also you can change. Then graphics, color, if you want to change. So this, now let's change the type of arrow with the filled one. Now you can see here this has been changed. Here also you can change the type from two side to single side arrow. Then I can create detail view also like this. So I apply a name, so you can right click and then add view name here. It will give you view name. If you want to modify this, you can go into property. Here you can select trace up tools, hidden line, center line, axis, fillets, scale you can mention, you can lock the view. You can change here like this. If I don't want to write a detail view A, only view A, then I can mention view A. Okay, so it will change the name. Then I can also add a title frame and other things here. I can add it here. I have not created that things because we used to generate a different template in a different tool, but you can add it here with the seat background, or you can add directly insert here also title frame and title block. You can give a drawing id and other details. So friends, I hope you will like this video. Thank you very much and happy learning.